Hey, Josh the Balloon Guy here. Okay, it's been a minute since I've done a household or weird item, and trying to figure out what I was going to do today. This one just kind of came to me. Um, we're going to do a ceiling fan. It's goofy, but for this we're going to need two, and I'm just doing brown because that's what my ceiling fan in our living room is brown. So these are actually Mocha 160s. This should be a Mocha 260. So it's two 160s, one 260, a white round, and then yes, I'm gonna put a flashy ball in it. All right. So let's go ahead and start with our 260. And honestly, you can make this as long or as short as you want. I went long with the workshopping prototype thing that I made, so I went long with it here too. You could technically make this a hat, like come out and have their biggest fan. Uh, but we're going to start with two pinch twists, and that's going to end up being where our white ball light hangs from. And then um, at this point, we can do a 4-finger bubble and then two more pinch twists, and that will be where the fan blades attach. Okay, so just very simple. Two pinch twists, 4 fingers, and two pinch twists. Okay, and it's all going to end up being this direction. Tuck that under your arm for now. Take your two 160s. Yes, fully inflate them and tie them into loops. You're going to do this twice. And then find the middle, split it. Okay. Yes, I know. I need to. You can even do it with 160. Need to bing bing, right? And then once you have your loops, come down and do right at the end, and you can put them together and do them together. Make a shock twist or shock pinch. Okay, and that helps keep them elongated. So we take our first set, put them into what ends up being the top pinch twist. All right, do that one more time. All right, bing bing for some internet points. And those are going to go opposite the other two. Put them in form, and then you can kind of space them all out. And again, your pinch twist there just kind of help keep things straight, taut, keep them from collapsing in on each other. Okay, so far we have that, and that could certainly be their biggest fan, but it's just that little extra piece. If you've got it, to add in the light. And And I just want it to be about the size of a baseball. Tie that in. All right. I'm going to turn off that light, turn off the light over here. It doesn't really provide a whole lot of light, but that's not the point, is it? The point is to have fun. Anyway, there you have a new household item, a ceiling fan. And yes, you could actually make this spin if you like took and deflated and spun this up and everything. I know there are artists that are a whole lot better at that than I am, but it's just fun. It's just fun. It's just goofy. It's just, and maybe this is what 7 hours on the road, no, 9, 10 hours on the road today did to my brain. But I made a ceiling fan. All right. As always, keep practicing. Even if it's goofy, just have fun with it. And I'll see you next time.